Hello. My hair is in desperate need of a wash. I think I'll just go ahead and show you a routine that I have been trying out recently and I have been liking it. I think I saw it somewhere on YouTube. So yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm finally gonna get rid of this, I don't know how to call this, but it's not good and it doesn't feel good and it's itchy and it's tangled. So I just want to wash my hair, honestly. So you guys are gonna come with me and gonna see exactly what I do. So this is my hair before washing. It's extremely dirty. So yeah, my scalp is very itchy and I just need a wash. Like not in a good situation right now. Like look how much frizz I have. That's crazy. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. We're gonna fix all that. If you want to see how I transform my hair from looking like this to looking like this, just keep watching. I'm going to be using just 3 products in the shower. 2 different types of shampoos that I like to use. I'm gonna go in with the volume injection Redken's volume injection shampoo, and then after I'm gonna go with the Nizoral, I don't know how to say it, but doesn't matter because this stuff works. So this is the anti-dandruff shampoo and I do use that almost every time I wash my hair. It kind of depends, but that's like my second wash. So I use that on my second wash and I really make sure to scrub well, and then I wash it off and then boom, my hair's clean. After I shampoo, I'm just gonna go in with the Share Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Plus Repair Protein Power Treatment. I really do like the way that this makes my hair look after every wash day. It always hits the spot. I'll see you in a little bit. It's gonna be when I'm freshly washed. Thank God. Okay, see you soon. I had a pretty long shower, so I feel completely out of it. My hair is washed. I washed it exactly like I told you. And it's time to style. Okay, my hair is way too wet. Like, okay. I'm just going to quickly give my hair a little squeeze with the microfiber towel, just because it's dripping way too much. I'll be using only 2 products that work really well for me in this routine. But go ahead and use whatever you like and want, whatever works for you. I suggest using at least 1 product that has some hold to it. It could be a gel, it could be a mousse, it could be just like a really sticky styling cream. Anything that has hold. I'll be using my leave-in conditioner. This is a new one. I've been quite liking it, especially in this routine. This is the Breathe. This is the Ava New York City H2O Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner. So I'll be using this as a leave-in, and after that I'll be going in with the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume Styling Mousse that I have been using forever now. And I'll be going in with my Bounce Curl brush because that just gives the most delicious juicy curls in the world. So I'll be doing this, but you don't have to go with this brush. You don't have to go with any brush for that matter. If you want to go with your regular detangling brush and style like that, go ahead and do that. But let's start because I'm blabbering on and on. Let's get it started. So my hair is freshly washed, like I said. So I'm just gonna brush it through because I haven't brushed it since I came out of the shower. So I just wanna give it a little detangle, quick detangle. So we're going to section our hair. I'm gonna flip my head back and do it this way because it just makes it a little bit easier to section your hair properly. Now my hair is all brushed to the front, as you can see, and I'm just gonna start sectioning. So I'm gonna go in with the first section, and it's going to be the most bottom section. And after I section it, I'm immediately going to put it in a hair clip. First one, hair clip goes. Now another section. We're gonna do like 4 or 5 sections leading from the back all the way to the front. Here we go. That's getting clipped. So basically, this is the part that takes the longest in this routine. The sectioning is really the hardest part, but it's worth it. So we have all of our sections. lots of hair clips. That's gonna give us the volume, that's gonna give us the definition. So you want lots of sections. Do as many as you'd like, but the more, the merrier. The back section goes down. We can work with this. If your sections feel dry, always grab a water bottle and spritz it a little bit, make it damp. I'm just going to dampen it. I'm not gonna make it like dripping wet. Take your detangling brush, tangle teaser, wet brush, whatever it is you use, and just detangle before we go in with any product. Because it's the back section, we can actually work like this and like split it into 2 parts. That's gonna make it easier. I'm gonna grab my leave-in conditioner. I'm just gonna spray it evenly on both parts. So I'm gonna use my bounce curl and I'm just gonna go in and now that it's brush styled, go in with your gel or your mousse. I like the mousse because it's a little bit more lightweight and it gives a little bit of moisture too, like a little bit of conditioning. So I like this one. But go in with a small amount because you're only using it for like 2 relatively small sections here. So go in with this amount. And I just kind of scrunch it in, you know, just scrunch it, scrunch. Okay, we have 1 section finished. Let's start with the second section from the back. We're gonna take it down, but we're not gonna let it merge with the section we just styled. We're gonna keep it off by just placing our hand like this. I don't know if you can see, but this hand here is gonna help it stay separated. Leave-in, spray it, and take your styling brush or whatever brush you're using. And we're done. Now we're gonna do the waiting game and wait until this dries so I can show you the results. I might diffuse, I might not. I don't know yet what I'm gonna be doing. I might diffuse just a little bit and leave the rest to dry. I will be back with my dry hair. Okay, so my hair is all dry. You can see just how defined it is. I didn't diffuse in the end. I let it air dry. I'm going to use my favorite oil, the Verb Ghost Oil. I always use that one. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit less than a pump because I don't want to weigh down my hair too much. Smooth it between my fingers. And I'm going to first kind of just like smooth it over my hair. And then I'm gonna scrunch it in to break the cast. You could see that the bottom pieces are also very defined. And my hair doesn't feel weighed down. There isn't too much product. There's only really a light spray of leave-in and it's very watery. It's not heavy at all. And then I just went in with some mousse, so my hair feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel like there's too much stuff on it. Last time I didn't introduce her. This is Smokey. Her name's Smokey. And she's the most adorable big cat because she's not that small. She's pretty big, if you can see. But anyway, I'm gonna go feed my cat. I will see you guys in my next video.